falling.
We're jumping right into the action here in Power Shift. Contestants will want to move that platform all the way back to their team's base.
They had better watch out. Lose control and all that progress can be reversed quickly, and the cash they earned will shift to their opponents. They're quick. First on the platform is the Overdogs.
Our teams are today, and now we've got our first elimination.
The battle lines are on. Surveyors are now zipping towards their base with style. Rocket delivery.
Both teams are refusing to give an inch as they vie for control of the platform.
Use
Standing, medium punch, teleport. Okay.
my winch club. That's pretty big.
Delivery.
Destroying her.
Overdogs are driving.
We've got our first team wipe. Things are heating up. The Overdogs have claimed the platform as their personal playground. The Overdogs remain ahead of the pack, having just reached the halfway point.
Contestant there finally calms down. A display of destruction. The Overdogs are now advancing forward with purpose. Pyro grenade out.
The Overdogs have been sitting pretty on top of the Interceptors on!
Tossing a frag. Using pyro grenade.
Easiest finals game I've ever played.
The Overdogs charted a course to the win, this time on Power Shift. Thanks again to our sponsors and to our viewers at home.
kills. Top guy had 5. Chat might be logged in. I'm gonna lose colossally hard on this next one. Bucko! Jerking. You see that
I didn't sign up for this chat.
Kanye post that I sent you?
What do
Have you
you
guys seen like all that bro that's been showing up on Instagram?
I sure hope it does. What did you
What?
send me?
I sent you a bunch of videos on Instagram.
Oh, did you send it on Instagram?
Yeah.
You check the Instagram. This might be Pete, guys.
Check the gram. It's a Scoop Diddy Poop video.
Dude. Of course. Anything slightly, like, reminiscent.
Did I even send it to you? I think I saw it and I'm like, what the fuck is this? I just went to bed.
Wow.
Scoop Diddy Poop.
Whoop, be scoop.
The poop. Whoop the scoop the whoop.
Yoga flame.
Whoop diddy scoop poop.
Whoop.
Thank you, Kanye.
Whoop. Best thing he's ever made, dude. Don't even mind it.
Whoop diddy whoop scoop. Whoop, whoop diddy whoop scoop.
Unleash our contestants.
Let's dive into Power Shift, where two teams battle
Comas.
towards more cash and victory.
Let's go, June. It's all about controlling that platform and using teamwork to keep it heading in the right direction. Rocket delivery.
Yeah.
And just like that, we've got our first elimination of the match.
Get ready for some hard
Oh,
pounding
right
action.
in the way.
You won't want to miss a beat.
So
The
scared.
first elimination is really sending a message. This match is on.
Call me the burger.
Let's
Wait.
see how this unfolds.
So, my dad just offered me a beer. I'm 16. I love that video.
You just seen that?
Yeah. He was just like, guys, give me a beer. I'm 16. Literally, they just take it.
We've got motion, the big splash on the offensive.
So you're like, for like 5 minutes.
Once in a lifetime, water flowing underground.
Well, it's not even really that. It's just like just the way how they like text. Like you can just feel like the aura of the person that they probably don't even have a dad, dude. I'm not even gonna be surprised. So, dot.
The big
Dot, dot.
splash.
Oh
My dad just offered me a beer.
Running
I'm
Will,
16.
away.
everyone knows they have a price. What is yours?
For what?
You know. If a 40-year-old man was asking the
Bro has a whole
How much would I have to pay you?
how much would you need to be paid?
drawer of caterpillars. He's
Depends for like how long the session is. Like you know.
Taking damage.
What do you mean what? I'm not doing by performance, dude.
No,
What if it's
what's your price though? Like
what if it's like time to
Let me throw these-
like 4 hours? Like I'm not doing that for 4 hours. I'm setting it
literally
by
the
time.
average is like 4 minutes when you're
he's on today.
Dude, 4 minutes, 4 longest minutes of my life, dude.
4.8 minutes. That's the male average for orgasm. Before like without the male average is a 4.8
Dude, what the
seconds.
fuck are we talking about?
We're
The
just,
shock and awe capture control and are making a beeline.
Trying to give
for
this
their
guy an
base.
idea of how long he's gonna get.
I'm
Dude.
I'm back. I'm
I'm playing Euro Truck Simulator. Hop off.
We could literally be talking about anything other than talking about how long it would take, how much we would pay Will to have him get
Confuzz.
I'm like, no, I don't want that.
what's your price? You should have said that.
What's your price? What's your price,
How
man?
much am I paying?
The shock and awe have taken control.
Like I don't gotta know, but what is it? For future reference. You blew yourself, lol.
Selected this
Lol,
entire
IGN gameplay, lol.
Come here, Jose.
I
Simple, automatic, real automatic. Ideal for wheel with pedals. Switch between driving forward. I want to get it. I want to get a wheel.
Ideal? Run away. Run away.
Oh, run away.
The big splash has seized control.
Run away. Skip.
Here's my Helican teammates.
Yeah.
I'm not doing bad, but I'm not doing good. It's like I'm missing kills.
So we're in bronze.
So we're in. Like, how did I even miss my one?
That's a play for the
Your shit's kind of lagging a little bit. Just no.
All the way to the finish line, none other than the big splash.
Finger. Whole lot of appendages. Lol. So
Okay, chat. Do I go in Amsterdam or Slovakia? Oh, Switzerland. I could go into Switzerland as well.
you pick like any relevant country, please?
Finland.
Buddy, that comes with going to Finland, dude.
great showing from our team so far. We've been seeing a lot
Yeah, I know. It's like a bundle
Wait,
deal.
where is
Having all our contestants
Finland's
Let's
part
say
of
like package deal, but
Where the fuck is? Oh,
fighting game indeed.
no, yeah, I can't get to Finland.
That's it. Our first team
Okay.
Joe Biden.
Check for fucker.
Finish. True. To be fair though, he was probably like AFK, like on the verge of death. He was like eating ice cream as he played. That'll do it to you.
I'm thinking I might just do the Netherlands. The Netherlands is such a pretty place. Have you guys seen the Netherlands?
Nah,
So fucking pretty.
I'm not speaking that Nordic language. Name one rap artist that came out of the Netherlands. I'll give you 4 hours. Exactly. Exactly.
We're like
One away. One away.
one away. One away. One away from the win, baby.
It was so perfect, dude. It's so perfect.
Get crazy.
You know how like dogs are like trained to like whenever they like hear something they just like instantly perk up, like even if it's not. It's just us. Anytime we hear anything in the way.
Anyway, and away from
Just make conversations. Anyway.
Yeah.
Anyway.
all of us here at the finals.
Unless this is like a long-term thing, but like if you're trying to date every single one of their friends.
Yeah, he's gonna get my nerves and being weird, so I'm like, yeah, I'm blocking you everywhere. And I did.
No. Just getting on my nerves, so I blocked them.
Literally, I gave him. He was like,
I got a little mad at
he's like,
I got a
"Just give
little
me- just
cross,
like,
so
just
I
give me another
removed them from
chance." He's
existence.
like, just give me another chance. It's like the 700th chance. I'm like, no, just go away.
Give them like an 800th chance.
No,
It's like they say, like the
no, dude.
14th, 100th chance, they'll change, dude.
Hell yeah.
Trust.
Daring brain.
It's a
kill
process,
Biden
dude.
0097. I wish I could change my name to I have a DY. I don't think they'll let me.
Large amount of Fenty. What is your name right now?
Daring brain.
What the fuck would you name yourself that?
You can't name yourself. That's why I'm so confused how this guy got fucking Joe Biden.
You probably found like Joe and then fight him.
Why do Tyler and the creator keep collabing?